we write this equation 1, and another second element equals to second element is 3y minus 1 equals to 11. We suppose this equation true, then from equation 1 we can write this eqn power n is a short form of writing equation equation equation. This equation we can write in short form like this, or simply we can write from 1 also. We get 2x plus 1 equals to 5, or 2x equals to 5 minus 1. When this plus 1 goes to another side, this becomes minus 1, or 2x equals to 5 minus 1 is 4, or 2x equals to 4, then here 2 into x, so when 2 goes to another side it becomes divide, or x equals to 4 by 2 is 2. So we have found value of x. Again from equation 2 we have to find value of, we get 3y minus 1 equals to 11, or 3y equals to 11 plus this minus 1, when it goes to the side becomes plus 1, or 3y equals to 12, or y equals to 12 divided by 3, or y equals to 4. Therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. This much is our answer. You can check also answer by putting here 2 into 2 plus 1, this is 5. So in place of x I have put this value 2, so 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 5, and here is also 5. So this is our answer. This 2 is right. Now let us check for y. 3 into 4 minus 1, 3 for the 12 minus 1 is 11. So this is also right. We are going to do this question number 3e. X by 2 y by 3 plus 1 is equals to 3 by 4 comma 3 by 2. Here I have already written. So first element equals to first element written here, which from equation 1, and second element equals to second element of both other pairs, which make equation 2. From equation 1 we get x by 2 equals to 3 by 4, or this we can cross multiply like this, 4x equals to 2 into 3 6, or x equals to 6 by 4, then this 6 and 4 will be divided by 2, so 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4, then answer will be x equals to 3 by 2. This we can do in another way also, like x is equals to 3 by 4. Here 2 is in division form, so when we take this division form to another side it will be in multiplication form, or x equals to, we know this only number will be in numerator, and numerator will be divided to denominator. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, so answer is 3 into 1 3 and 2. From equation 2 we get y by 3 plus 1 equals to 3 by 2, or this y by 3 equals to 3 by 2 minus this plus 1 when goes to another side becomes minus, so or y by 3. Now we have to here take LCM 2. Now this LCM 2 divided by this denominator 2 is 1, and that multiplied by this is 1 into 3 is 3. Here we have to do like this: 2 divided by 2, then this multiplied by numerator 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and into 3 is 3. And same here denominator is not shown, but here every number has denominator 1, so 2 divided by this LCM 2 divided by denominator 1 into numerator 1, this is 2 into 1 equals to 2. So here we have to write here 2. Whatever sign is here we have to write same sign here. Then this is the result of this second term. Or y by 3 equals to 3 minus 2 is 1, then 2. Y equals to 1 by 2 when 3 goes to another side. Since here 3 is in division form, when it goes to another side it will be in multiplication form. Here we cannot divide any number, so we have to only multiply. 1 into 3 is 3 and divide by 2. So here value of both x and y are 3 by 2. X equals to 3 by 2, y equals to 3 by 2. This is our answer. We can check our answer also. Here that we have to do like this. In this equation, in place of x we can put 3 by 2, then this divide by 2, this 3 by 2. When this 2 is changed, this is our main division, so when this is changed into sign, then this 2 will be reciprocal, that is 1 by 2, and this is 3 into 1 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. 3 by 4. Our answer is right. And another is y by 3 plus 1. Here y is 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 1, then 3 by 2 into this division sign change into, then 3 will be reciprocal plus 1, then this 3 will be divided, and here will be 1 by 2 plus 1. Then this will be 2 LCM 2 divided by this LCM 2 divided by this 2 is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1, then plus this 2 divided by here 1 denominator is 2, and into numerator 1 is 2, and this is 3 by 2. So our this answer is also right. Here we are going to do question number 3f. 3 by x comma 2 by y plus 1 equals to 6 comma 4. Here I have already written. So 3 by x equals to 6 and 2 by y plus 1 equals to 4, because these two order pairs are given equal. From equation we get this, we have to cross multiply 3 into, as we know here is 1, below any number there is always denominator 1, so 3 into 1 is 3, and x into 6 is 6x. Or we can change this side, 6x equals to 3, or x equals to 3 divided by 6, because 6 into x when goes to another side becomes 3 by 6. Or x equals to this 3 into 1 3, and 3 into 2 6, so x is 1 by 2. Here after that, from equation 2 we get 2 by y equals to 4 minus 1, or 2 by y equals to 4 minus 1 is 3, or 2 by cross multiplying this will be 2 equals to 2 into 1 is 2, and this y into 3 is 3y. Or we can change this side, 3y equals to 2, or y equals to this 2 divided by 3. Here it cannot be further divided, so this much is the answer, and our final answer is x equals to 1 by 2 comma y equals to 2 by 3. This is our answer. Like before, we can check our answer also. 3 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 3 into 2 equals to 6. Our this answer is right. And another is 2 divided by, in place of y we have to put 2 by 3 plus 1. This is equals to 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1, 2, so then 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So our this answer is also right.